In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this animation by using Blender, Explosion Generator, and Screen to GIF. This is a great explosion sprite creation tool called Explosion Generator. I'll share the link in the description below. This tool is very easy to use, and it's the best tool to create various types of explosion sprites. Once the sprites are ready, export it as a GIF animation file. This is a second tool to use, and it's called Screen to GIF. We must use this tool to convert the GIF file to AVI. We can export it as AVI like this. We must do this, because Blender doesn't recognize GIF files. Once we have the AVI file ready, then we can import the file as a plane. Let's test the animation. It's about 50 frames long. I'll rotate the image on the Z-axis, and set up the scene on the front viewport. I'll create a simple text zoom in animation. Tab, to edit the text. R, X, and 90, to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X-axis. S, to scale. Let's move the object's origin to 3D cursor. I'll add a golden material. I'll use Eevee with bloom. On frame 1, hover the mouse cursor over scale, and type I as in India to set a new keyframe. Let's go to frame 50, scale the text object, and set a new keyframe. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.